Hello, welcome to Niru's kitchen. Today we're going to make some aloo gobi with some peas. Here we have some medium cut cauliflower, some potatoes and some peas. And here are the spices that we are going to use. That's mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, a bit of garlic and ginger and chillies, and some turmeric powder and a tablespoon of Niru, which is cumin and coriander, with chilli powder and some sugar and some salt. And we're going to use tomatoes to make some of the sauce we use. But we're going to begin by using some cooking oil in the pan, if you follow me. I'm going to add this much oil in the pan. We need enough oil to make sure that the spices mix into the cooking quite well. Turn the heat up onto a medium heat, but making sure that the oil doesn't burn while we're cooking. Just going to give that a few minutes to heat up. Add the mustard seeds in. When they start to heat up and pop, it's ready to have the vegetables added in. It should start popping soon. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Best to keep everything near you when you're cooking, so you're not running back and forth. So the oil has just heated up. If you bring it closer, you can see the seeds are popping now. And that's exactly what we want to see before we add the vegetables in. Okay, so I'm going to add these in to make sure I don't burn myself and the thing splash. I'm going to cover it as we put it in. Take that off there. Okay. Make sure we stir everything in. We have to do that a few minutes to cook in its own steam. That way the vegetables remain fresh and crisp at the same time, giving the good flavour. Just give it another stir. If you turn the heat up slightly. What I'm going to do is add the ginger and the chillies Because they're frozen, it gives them time to blend in with the vegetables. Give it a quick stir again. I'm also going to add the garlic as well. Chop it. I didn't put it in earlier because we don't want to burn the garlic. I'm going to add the spices now so that we get a good, make sure they mix into the vegetables properly. And give it a quick stir again. I'm going to slow down the heat a little bit. Right, the vegetables have been cooking for about 5-10 minutes now, so I'm going to add the tomatoes in and I'm going to mix them in to the vegetables, and we're going to just give that a quick stir. And we're going to let that simmer on a medium heat for about 10 minutes, and we will add the coriander as a garnish just before we take this off the heat. So I'm going to fetch the coriander and one good idea of keeping coriander fresh is to wash it and chop it and freeze it, and it's quite handy to have in the freezer. So I am going to add the coriander into the curry now. And that sort of allows the flavour to go into the aloo gobi just before we serve it. See, so I've allowed it to mix through quite well. Just going to leave that for a few more minutes before we take it off the heat. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.